Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and happy October! Since the temperatures have dropped, I thought it was time to jump back into some hobbitcore attire. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily draft a capelet. Perfect for all the adventures you'll have this season. The design only requires 6 pieces. 2 of those pieces will be your actual cape and its lining, and 4 of those will be the hood. The only measurements you're going to need is a loose measurement of your neck and how long you want your cape to be. If you don't want to do the math to find the radius of your neck yourself, which I don't blame you, I don't either, there are plenty of resources online that calculates the radius of your waist for circle skirts, and I've provided a link to the one that I'm using below. All you have to do is take your neck measurement, and where it says your waist, just put that measurement in and you'll instantly get your radius. At the edge of your paper, measure out the radius and mark on either side. Mark that number from the center and then connect the dots. Next, take your pattern and line it up on the fold and cut your main fabric piece. To create the hood, just measure out your neck radius and freehand this half dome shape. Next, pin the 2 hood pieces right sides together and sew up the curved edge. Then do the lining separately. Next, pin the hood pieces right sides together with the cape piece and sew. Then pin both of your pieces right sides together and sew on the dotted line, making sure to leave a space at the bottom to turn it inside out. Once you've turned it inside out, top stitch on the edges to keep them in place and create a pressed seam. The final step is to sew on your closures. And because I'm a little extra, I have a few of these branded clothing tags lying around, and I just wanted to use them because they're pretty cute.